Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. We have Twitch online. See if we're streaming on YouTube. Yep, it's all good. We can begin. So yeah, let me just close all the stuff. And yeah, we can go live. We have the Kubernetes documentation open. We have our practice scenarios open. Last time we finished up till services and networking. Yeah, service and networking. We're going to start with storage. Storage, troubleshooting, and workloads and scheduling. Okay, so I plan on finishing them all today. How many are we done with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24, 25, 26, 26. And how many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 48. So we have to finish almost double of what we've done already. Exactly double. No, 26. So yeah, almost double. Yeah. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. Increase our font. Didn't work. Let's increase this and start. Set the context. Always set the context. And create a storage class called green STC as per the properties given below. Storage class. This seems to be how you do it. Just copy it. Provisioner should be this, and volume binding should be wait for first consumer. Volume expansion should be enabled. Okay. Nano storage class.yaml. Let's paste this. Kind pod. Wait, that's not what we want. Data storage class. This is what we want. Now let's see YAML. Yeah, storage class, metadata. Provisioner should be kubernetes.io/no provisioner. Okay. We have a name for it too. Green STC. Let's give it the name it deserves. Volume binding mode should be wait for first consumer. Okay. And volume expansion should be enabled. So let's search for volume expansion. Let's search for expansion actually. Yeah, here we have it. What this come under? Volume binding mode expansion. Do we have more? Volume expansion. Persistent volumes can be configured to be expandable. This allows you to resize the volume by editing the corresponding PVC object, requesting a larger amount of storage. But how do I configure that? Allow volume expansion equals true. Okay. I don't need any of this stuff. I think this should do it. K apply minus FSC created. Okay, get storage classes. Yes, please. Green STC. Check. Perfect. Shared volume. Start. Set the context. Let's get to the question. An existing Nginx pod and persistent volume claim named MyBDC CKA are available. Your task is to implement the following modifications. PVC to PV binding and my pod CKA pods sometimes takes around 2 minutes to up and running, so please wait. That's the note. Okay. Update the pod to include a sidecar container that uses busybox image. Ensure that the sidecar container remains operational by including an appropriate command tail minus f dev / null. Okay. Share the shared storage volume between the main application and the sidecar container, mounting it at the path var www/shared. Additionally, ensure that the sidecar container has read-only access to the shared volume. Okay. So we just have to update the pod. That's all at once, right? Existing pod. So let's do get this. So it doesn't have this resource. We set the context. Sorry. K get pod this. Sorry. Okay, we get the pod. It's running. All okay. Let's save this. Get pod minus o YAML to pod.yaml. Okay. And let's edit this. Don't need this annotation. Create timestamp, namespace, resource version not required, UUID not required. Name, resources, termination message path not required, not required. Volumes, yes. DNS policy, fine. Enable node name, sure, that is required. Restart policy is fine. Scheduler name, don't care for any of these. Tolerations has been set, so let's use those. There are volumes also. Status, we don't need any of this, I'm assuming. Yeah, I don't need any of the status part. So in Nano you can hold Control K and it'll delete all those parts from below. Okay, now I wanna containers. Okay, let's create a container above this. Image busybox as they asked us, and we have a command to give. Command tail. We give the whole command. What? Oh, wait. Yep. And then, yeah, don't forget the code. Let's see. Actually, let's see. Command. Define a command, and yes, there are multiple ways. Fine. Share the shared storage. Okay, let's see. Let's copy this and paste it here. And we, instead of /HTML, we have shared, and we want to give read-only access, and you set read-only true, just like they've shown it over here. Thank you. Yep. I think that should do it. Volumes. We have the PVC claim. So yeah. Okay, replace -f pod.yaml minus force. Yes. Require the pod is invalid. Why? Okay, get pods. Okay, apply -f pod.yaml nano pod.yaml. Why? How are you saying that the name is invalid? I done something wrong here? Are names given in double quotes? No. Why is this an issue? I think there's something wrong with this. Name required value? Container doesn't have a name. I'm so sorry. I was reading it wrong. This container needs a name. Let's bring this up. Crash loop back off. Okay, describe pod. Fail to create container T. I think I can't give it like this. I forgot. Let's try it without the quotes. Crash loop. Let's just give it like this. Command and arguments. If I remember it correctly, I want to figure it out actually. Better figure it out now so that I can make use of it in the exam. Okay. Does that have a command? No. Okay. Okay, replace. Where is my replace? Yeah, thank you. And my watch. This one also errored. My god. Can I actually do that? Okay, it holds it. My replace. Let's have a watch. Back off. Why? I think it's because it completed. But it shouldn't complete, right? Sorry, describe. Last year terminated. Man, that's not tragic. Different ways of giving container command in pod definition file. This isn't the only way though. But I guess I better stick to it. Yeah. So we have command, which is tail, and args. Let's restart the pod. Running. Yay! Finally. Do what the documentation says. And it's not validated. I don't know why. Did we miss something? Implement the following modifications. PVC to PV binding. What do we not have here? We have mounts. In the busybox container. Image ID, command. We have mounts / shared. And we have mount / HTML. Just check again, I guess. Validation failed. Let's see what exactly do they need. Let's zoom. Oh, my bad. You need storage. Oh, really? There's not a single one. Okay. What is the weightage of this question? 4. Okay. Let's search by 4. Weight equals 4. No, not this. Not this either. Hmm. That the sidecar container has read-only access to the share volume. We have done all of that. I don't know what exactly is it looking for then. Or is it the 2-minute wait that we have to wait for? But his solutions also don't have what it is looking for. Let's search for shared actually. Ooh, strange. What is monthly traffic to this course? Okay. Maybe he might have put it here and there. Let's just see. Just open up and see. This has. What is wrong with this? Load the file, man. The whole thing is loaded. Perfect. 0 matches. Yeah. Control F, Control V. Really? 0? Nope. No answer. Did I not open storage? What the hell? What the hell, man? Just because it's not sh-c, I'm pretty sure that's the reason. We did read only, we did mount path, we did name, we added busybox. Yeah, we were not asked to name it anything like such. Come on. Yeah. Oh, press enter to reconnect. Nano pod.yaml. Let's remove this command and args and just put this. Okay, replace -f pod.yaml -force because that's how we do it. Delete. Okay. Is it actually taking 2 minutes this time? Oh, that's funny. Anyway, can we check out the next one? Let me just put this out there. I'm sorry, I don't know where I was looking for it in the first time. Ah, okay, replaced. Okay, get pods. My watch running. Just check. Nano pod.yaml. I think it's also the name. I'm pretty sure he's checking for the name too. Okay, you know all I want. I wonder, do the others have solutions too? Yeah, we're done here. Just check. See, the name was also important. It's okay. It's okay. We can't expect them to be 100% perfect. And they're doing it for us. When they're doing it really free for us. These guys are awesome. Awesomes. These guys are awesome. Please respect that. Questions. Okay. Are these solutions? Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeah, we'll do those also at M. Okay. Yeah, the 30 that we've done. We'll do it again. Okay, in the meanwhile. Storage shared volume, persistent volume claim, resize. Okay. That's something new. That's not what I meant to do. Start 8 context 8 again. It didn't work the first time. Oh, yeah. Question. Modify the size of the existing persistent volume claim PVC named yellow PVC CKA to request 60 megabytes of storage from the yellow PV CKA volume. Ensure that the PVC successfully resizes to the new size and remains in the bound state. Okay. Okay, get PVC yellow PVC CKA minus O YAML PVC dot YAML nano PVC dot YAML annotations. Let's keep them. No creations and no finalizers. I don't know. I want to remove stuff that I don't know. Access mode, read write. Okay. We just want to change the storage to 60. Unlock. Actually, let's edit it. Okay, edit PVC. Let's change this to 60. Since this is Vim, press I to go in insert mode. Put in your number. Escape to exit insert mode. Colon W to write and Q to quit. Let's get the PVC again. Capacity 100. That's strange. It did request it. Request 60. It already had 100. I guess it's sorry, colon q get pv actually first. It is 100, so I think it gives the whole 100 since it's bound to it. Yeah, it gives the whole 100. Check actually, it is in the bound state. You just had to change that. Storage class. We'll do killer sh questions also. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to stream those. I'll just check that. Hopefully I am. Okay, next question in storage. Create a storage class named fast storage with a provisioner of Kubernetes no provisioner and a volume bind mode of immediate. Okay, let's do it one by one. Okay, nano sc dot yaml. In this command quick reference, come on, no, yeah, even that works. And in create, can I create a storage class? Se doesn't seem like it. Okay, this is the only way. Storage class. Let's open all of them. We need a persistent volume, PVC, and a pod. PV, and then persistent volume and persistent volume claims. Configure a pod to use these definitions. As actually, let's open both and see which ones have what. Persistent volumes. Okay, I think everything, all of it is in there, and a pod. Pod definition files. Yeah. So let's start with our storage class. This is a storage class we got. Yep. Nano. Yes. Name. Fast storage. Okay. Very, very fast. Annotations. I'm not going to change that. Provisioner. We want our own provisioner, not this one. Reclaim policy. We don't need this. Allow expansion. We don't need this. Volume bind mode. I just want that. To be immediate. Okay. Apply -fsc.yaml created. Thank you so much. Now let's create a PV. Nano PV persistent volume. PV.yaml. Let's go in our documentation. Let's close storage classes. Persistent volume for storage. Before we begin, create a persistent volume. Yes, this is what we want. What do we have here? This is a lot of data. There's a pod. Persistent volume claim, persistent volume. Okay. The first, that's the best one. Always when you require things about persistent volume and persistent volume claims, go to this page. This one might not have what we need. If this doesn't have what you need, then go on this page. Okay, create a persistent volume with this name, fast PV CKA, very, very fast. With the storage capacity of 50 megabytes. Using the fast storage class. Storage class name is fast storage. With rewrite once permissions, we have that. And the host path is temp and fast data. Let's just check once. We have the name. We have 50 megabytes. We are using the storage class name as fast storage. We have the permission read write once, and we have the temp fast data. That's the part. Okay, apply minus f pv.yaml. We have this created successfully. Now let's create a PVC. A DDC. Brooklyn 99. Okay, PVC. So create a player name. Let's give it the name that it wants. That's to give. That requires 30 megabytes. Okay. Why did I do that? Yeah, 30 megabytes. Storage class name. Of course, it has to be this. And PVC storage class name. What? I guess you do that later. Or can I bind it somehow? Then we go here, persistent volume claims. We have a storage class name, volume mode, resources. Nothing but which persistent volume claims as volumes inside a pod. I remember you could bind it or something. But there's so much. Okay, let's just keep it simple. Okay, apply p minus f pvc dot yaml. Okay, get pvc. Is it never gonna get it? Anyway, let's just create the pod as they have shown us here. Copy this. Okay, I don't need this. Nano pod dot yaml. Metadata name. We do fastpod CKA. Let's set this to latest. Image that uses PVC. And mounts the path to app data. Don't need ports here. So this is a thing within the pod. You can name it whatever you want, but when you create a volume here, you're referencing that volume here. Just make sure those are same. So I didn't change those. Our claim name is fastpod CKA. Just let me adjust my chair. Yep. Thank you for your patience. Yeah. Our claim name is fastpvc CKA. Pod name is fastpod CKA. Nginx latest is what we're using. Let's just create. Okay, apply minus f pod, and I want to check YAML. I'm sorry. PVC. 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 Why isn't it bound? Do we have to do something else? Create. It's not bound. Why is it not bound? Pending gate describe for. Oh my god. Did I not do this? Did I not set the context? Okay, get pods. Okay, delete everything from this. Okay, apply -f storage class. Okay, apply -f pv.yaml nano pvc.yaml metadata storage class name. Storage class name is fast storage, man, not that one. Okay, apply -f pvc.yaml. Okay, get pvc is found. Okay, apply -f pod.yaml. Perfect. Okay, get pods. Perfect. Check. Amazing. Done with that. Storage, persistent volume claim. And pods. Wait, am I on the right one? Yep, seems like it. Quite a few questions. It's nice. This one's pretty thorough. Set the context. Your task involves setting up storage components in a Kubernetes cluster. Follow these steps. Create a storage class named blue stccka with the following properties. Nano p.yaml. We close storage pod class. You need it. Yeah, I'm not copying like that because yeah. Name is important. Provisioner is no provisioner. Don't need a reclaim policy. Allow volume expansion, no. Mount options, I don't care. Volume bind is what I care. Parameters, don't care either. Yeah, wait for first consumer. Okay, apply -f sc.yaml. Create a persistent volume named blue cve pv.yaml. Let's copy persistent volume. I've pasted it here. We need to change the name as they have given. This capacity of 100 megabytes. Access mode read-write once. We have that. Reclaim policy. Let's see. It should be in this one. Reclaim policy and persistent volumes. Yes. How do I set that? Just how you set capacity, I'm assuming that's how we set reclaim policy. So I'll just add it here. Reclaim policy, camel case. I guess it's a single one. Yeah. Reclaim policy of retain. Okay. Storage class is blue stccka. Local path is opt blue data CKA. So let's just add that. Don't forget the double quotes. And node affinity. Set node affinity to create this PV on control plane. Okay. Node affinity. What if I just create this? Okay. Let's just set this later. Later, skater. Okay. Edit PV blue something. And now we don't see it. I thought we'd see it here. Okay, persistent volume reclaim policy. Yeah, it is retained. So that's how you set it. But where is the node affinity? Let's just view. It's not there. Because you're not supposed to edit, you're supposed to do get. See, we don't have that. How do I set this node affinity? I don't see node affinity anywhere. Does this one have affinity? What's your nodes using node affinity? Oh. Okay, you go to the API reference. This is very good that we found this. What are we looking for? Affinity. So you take this, go into our nano node affinity. It's just all of this should come under it. Okay. Is that how you set node affinity? Node affinity defines constraints at limits. Okay. Requires specify hard node constraint. A node selector represents the union of results of one or more labels. Be replaced during a merge. To add this, I don't know. It's just the solutions. Yeah, this one. So retain local path, match expression. Where have they mentioned match expression? Where have they mentioned that's how you have to do it? Don't save, actually. Get nodes. So labels. Control plane. Sorry. Okay, that is a label. Kubernetes IO hostname control plane. Okay. So we copy it from this one. We paste it here. Just make this control plane. And here we want to add that reclaim policy thing. Yes. And we want it to be retain. retain. Okay. Next, we have to create a persistent volume claim. Get it from here? No. We get it from where? On this one, storage classes, volumes, PVC, how to configure. Yep, configure a pod, create persistent volume, paste this. Access mode is read write once. We change the name to blue PV CKA. Storage class should be blue STC CKA. Storage request should be 50 megabytes. Nothing else. Okay. Okay, apply minus f pvc.yaml and please check. Okay, get pvc pending. Did I mess up somewhere? Okay, get pv 100. I'm requesting 50. Okay, delete pv actually. Okay, no. pv.yaml. 100. We have it 100. We have the name. We have the retain policy. We have storage class name blue STC. Local path is set to opt. Node affinity is set for control plane. What else are you looking for? Okay, actually, we delete minus f dot. Okay, get pvc. Okay, replace minus. Okay, apply minus f dot. Bound. That's some issue. Now, why is this failing? Solutions. No provisional PSCC. Did we do that? No, SC. No provisional. Wait for consumer. Is it because of annotations? I don't think so. Fine. Persistent volume. We have the name correct. We have the spec capacity correct. Access mode is rewrite once. Storage class name is blue SGCCKA. We have the retain. We have the low host bar. Oh, what's the difference? What is the difference? Local path. Actually, I would like to go in the API references. Wait, is it PVC? No, we are in PV volume. That's not, this is the API references. And local. Host path within directory on the host provision. Storage with node affinity. Directory on the host. Local represents directly attached storage with node affinity. Local dot path of the could be directory or block device. Local and then path. Replace one FPV. Actually, let's just delete it all and then apply it all again and then check again. So there's a difference. I didn't really get what it is. Where were we? Single node development and testing only. Okay. On-host storage is not supported in any way and will not work in a multi-node cluster. But then this one gives host path. We need to remember that. That is sad, even though it's true. We'll open this up again if we require. Okay, PVC and pod. Let's set the context and let's begin. A Kubernetes pod definition file named nginx pod CKA YAML is available. Your task is to make the following modifications to the manifest file. Okay, ls nano nginx. Oh. Create a persistent volume claim with the name. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yes. On this one. I think the way to do it is you give dashes and you do this and you can create a new object in the same file. Okay. Create a persistent volume claim with this. The PVC should request 80 MI of storage from an existing persistent volume. Wait. Okay, get all. Get all. Okay, get PV. Okay, get PVC. Okay, we don't have a PVC, but we have a PV. An existing. Yeah, we changed the name. The storage class name is this. Use the access mode rewrite once. Okay. Do we have this? Person volumes, claims, binds. Yes. Binding. Yeah. But then, okay. You have to do it in the PV itself, not in the PVC. Fine. We've done that. We can't do that. We'll see what happens. Volume name. Ooh. Amazing. That's how you request it from. That's not what we want. And next CKA. Done that. Add the created to the existing Nginx pod definition. Okay, let's just get the volumes part and add it. And in the containers, we add the volume mounts. Okay, now we need to change these. On the volume claimed by Nginx at the name, let that be anything, but the claim name should be right. The claim name is this, and we have to mount it at the path. Yep. Add tolerations with the key. Okay. Tolerations. This should be in the spec. Like, yep. Add tolerations with the key this. Oh. Exists, operator exists, and effect no schedule. Okay, to the pod. Ensure that this pod is running and that the persistent volume is each pod CKA 05 STR. What is this? Create a persistent volume. Is that the pod name? Create a persistent volume claim with the name Nginx PVC CKA. We did that. This PVC should request 80 megabytes. We did that. From an existing persistent volume name PVC Nginx PVCKA. Volume name we gave that. Storage class name we gave that too. Use the access mode of read write once. We did part 1. Add the created PVC to the existing Nginx pod CKA. So in volumes, we gave the persistent volume claim name as Nginx PVC CKA, and we mounted that. volume at path this. Yes, within that pod, add tolerations to the key. We added tolerations with the given key set to exists and no schedule. Ensure that this pod is running. Okay, that's okay. Get pods. Okay, apply minus F. What do we have here? Nginx. I think 4 is too many. 5 is too many. Do not find expected. No. On line 21. I don't know. Is that how you make it? It didn't create a pod. Ugh. Multiple definitions in one YAML Kubernetes. YAML multiple resources. Yes. How do I create this? Oh. Okay. I'm not doing that. So we'll just copy this stuff and Control K it all. We apply the whole thing and now what do you mean by this? Do you want me to change the name? Okay, get. I think it wants me to change the name, but I just want to see if the PVC is bound. It is bound. I'll just try this. Nano Nginx. We change the name and we replace the pod by force. Check now. Validation successful. Percent volume claim. I'm kind of getting bored with the storage thing, but it's okay. We have to finish this. Yeah. For some reason, control isn't working. To open up a new tab, like control click. Ooh. How many have we done with? 6. This one is going on. And we have 4 more to go. Okay, let's speed it up. Set the context. A percentage volume name red CKA is available. Your task is to create a persistent volume claim. Let's just get that. We don't need this. We want persistent volume claims. Nano pvc.yaml. Let's set the name and request 30. Why do I always do that? Yeah, 30 mi of storage from the given volume. Okay. Ensure that the following criteria are met. Rewrite once, manual, and just volume name is what we need to add. Created. Let's see if it is bound. PVC -O wide. Status pending, status bound. Okay, storage class, volume is unset. Okay. Next one, storage. Now, start, set, context. I really wish I could do that. Make the font default. You're responsible for provisioning storage for a Kubernetes cluster. Your task is to create a persistent volume claim, and deploy a pod that uses the PVC for shared storage. Here are the specific requirements for PV, for PVC, pod, and mount the pod. Note: binding and pod might take time to come up. Please have patience. Okay, let's see. Let's first create a PV. Nano pv.yaml. Copy the stuff. Host path is mount data. Nice. 100. I'll go step by step. I'm just changing what I can read right once. And storage class name is standard. So the name we have to set my CKA. Storage capacity is 100 MI. Access mode is read write once. Host path is mount data, and storage class is standard. Done. Next we create a PVC. We'll just apply all. Create a persistent volume claim named PVC CKA. To claim the storage, we give the volume name with the following properties: storage class as standard, and we are asking for 100 MI. Am I less than? What do you mean? Okay, if that's something, I don't know what that means. Less than. Deploy a pod using the engine more. Nano pod.yaml. Create a pod. Yep. Pod name. Using the nginx container. Yep. Where we don't need ports. Wait. Container port can have names. I did not know that. Okay, deploy a pod named my pod CKA using the nginx container image. Mount the PVC. Okay, so the claim name should be here. To var www html. Okay, apply -f dot ls get PVC pending. Okay, let me know when you're done. Shouldn't take this. Oh, bound. And get pods pending. Container creating. Let's go. Running. Perfect. Check. Validation failed. That less than thing. I don't know what it is. What is the question? My PV CKA. Yeah, I gave the volume name. Did the volume mounts? Do I have to name the container Nginx container? Is that what you're looking for? I didn't change the pod name. Sorry. Nano pod.yaml. Okay, delete pod. Okay, apply -f pod.yaml. Okay, get pods running. Check scenarios. Doing silly mistakes. Storage. Come on, let's speed it up. I know I've been saying that, but this time really let's speed it up. Yeah. Context is set without a doubt. Create a persistent volume claim PV and PVC using an existing storage class name. Meet the following requirements. Okay, let's just do this. Nano pv.yaml. Let's get it from here. Name the pod as name the PV as gold PV CKA. Capacity is 50 mi. Storage class as gold SGC CKA. Okay, let's go line by line. Capacity, use the volume type host path with the path. Okay, host path with the path as mentioned. Ensure that PV is created on node 1 where that directory already exists. Okay, assign storage class, we've done that. We have to do that. Add a label to the PV with the key here and value white here white, and we have to add node affinity. Affinity PV percent volumes. Control F, affinity. We don't have it here. We need the match thingy, right? So let's see here. Well known. No discussions. Storage class. Affinity. Okay, this doesn't know it. affinity. Match label expressions. Is it match label expression? It's something else. Node affinity PV. Local goes my deployment, how to fix file on label, source cloud, volumes, assign pods, no, volumes, control F affinity. Thank you. Affinity, that's in volumes, just remember that. Node 01. Okay, get nodes minus show labels. For node 1 we have the host name. Yeah, Kubernetes IO host name set as node 1. So that's cool. We set it. Let's just see if it has that. We'll just create it. Perfect. Yeah, we are done with this. Nano pvc.yaml. Let's get it from here. Name it what you want. Gold PVC CKA request 30 megabytes. Use the storage class from that particular PV. So volume name is this. Read write many. Okay, k apply minus f dot. Both are created. K get pvc pending. Let's wait for it to bind. 30, 18, 19, 20. Is it not gonna bind? Doesn't seem like it is going to bind. Uh-oh, did we mess up something? I don't know. Apply label. We did that. Ensure that the PV is created on node 1 where the directory exists. We created that. Nano pvc present volume claim name is this, volume name is this, request 30 megabytes. Yep, using the match label, right? Oh, you don't want this, you want match label. Please read the questions, don't be like me. Control F. Match label, do we have that? No. First volumes, let's see here. Match labels, selector. That's how you want to do it. Do it. We okay, delete pvc. There's only one, man. Oh, sorry. Minus f pvc.yaml. Okay, apply. Okay, get pvc, but that doesn't explain the non-binding thing. I think it doesn't bind because of the read write many. Nano PV .yaml. How can this have an access? I think I have to change that. Like that is the point of the question. You should know. Okay, delete all. Okay, apply all. Okay, get PVC. Bind. Bind. I want you to bind now. If it isn't bound in 25 seconds, there's something wrong. We, we, you and me, we have to check. Read, write, many. Volume mode, file system. Why did you get that? Do I have to give that? Person volume, gold PV, labels, tier white, and in the node selector terms. Tier white, that's fine, okay. Opacity 50, volume mode A. Use the volume type host path. Okay, I did that. Access mode, rewrite many. That was main. I didn't give volume mode. Wasn't volume reclaim policy? It would be retain. We didn't have to ask for it. Storage class name. Goalless. CKA host path. Goalless CKA node affinity required. Terms in node 01. Yep, PV was made. Nano PVC. Access mode, rewrite many. Selector match labels tier white. Volume name. And you also give volume name. Storage class name. And you also give volume. What is the selector for then? What does it do? Claims can specify a label selector to further filter the set of volumes. Only the volumes whose labels match the selector can be bound to that claim. We have multiple. We have only one. We did match labels. Yes. What else? You said the one, and we said resources. Do I have to set the volume then? That is so stupid if I have to do that. I don't get it then. What's the point of labels? Is it that it can't bind to other things then? Names the set of volumes. Only the volumes whose labels can be bound to the claim. The selectors can consist of two fields. All other okay. That was stupid, but I don't know. It might have its own needs. Yeah, for administrative purposes where you can't bind it to something else other than that. But then it doesn't bind by itself to the one that's available. That was the concerning part for me. Anyway, move on to the next question. Create a persistent volume named BlackBerry CKA with the following specifications. It was supposed to be the other way around. The questions. We did the difficult ones first. Volume type, host path. Okay, let's just change the name. Storage class, they don't care it seems. And capacity should be 50 MI. And the path should be as they mentioned in double quotes. And let's just apply -FPV. Done. Check. We're done with storage. Okay, let's just take a short break. And we'll be back in 10 minutes or so to continue with troubleshooting. We have, wow, 24, 25, 26, 27 troubleshooting questions. This is going to be fun. We just completed 10 questions. We have 26 more to go. 27. And then workload and scheduling. Okay. Yep. I'll be back in 10 minutes. See you then. Hey guys, I'm back from our break and we have audio. Perfect. So let's begin where we left off. Troubleshooting. 27 questions. 1:41 a.m. C. Start. Set the context and begin. Nginx deployment pods are not running. Fix that. Okay. Get deployments. Okay. Get pods. Okay. Describe pod. Nginx. What's the issue? Mount setup failed. Okay. Okay. Get pods -o YAML. Nginx. 2 pod.yaml. Let's check out .yaml. Volumes. Volume mount path. I'm trying to mount a secret. What are the volumes? Wait, actually it was an init container. Kube API access. Service account. Okay. What volumes are there? Config map. Okay, wait. Let's just check the init containers first. We have nginx config and kube API access. No, actually. Which pod volume? Nginx config. Nginx configuration not found. Config map was not found. Okay, get CM. It is there. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, get describe CM nginx. What is the name? It's nginx conf. There's nothing called nginx configuration. Hmm. Yep. Let's just get that and change this. Insert mode with I. We change. It's so confusing. WQ. Okay. Describe CM nginx. Okay, get pods. Okay. Get deployments -o YAML dp.yaml. Okay. delete deployments, nginx deployment k apply -f dp.yaml, k get pods, k describe pods, nginx config for volume configuration not found. K describe cm nginx map. Yeah, data nginx configuration this time. Okay, this is nanopod.yaml spec. The init containers we have welcome to killer coda. Okay, volume mounts, we want to mount there. The name is nginx config. Here the name we've given here is nginx configuration, and so is there. Okay, edit VM nginx. Not to open it here. This also, this too. Don't need this either. I changed it to nginx. It won't run, is it? I'm sorry for the silence. Yeah, I'm just trying to change this. Okay, get pods. Okay, describe pods nginx deployment 7. Config map. Wait, what? Name is nginx config. The only place. Oh god, I'm so sorry. What is the name? Oh, it's fine. Okay, get CM. This was so simple and I've completely messed it up. Okay, edit deployment. Yes, please. Take me to the bottom. And let me change this. Insert mode. Oh. Come on. I think I did Control C, Control S, that's why. Now we know. Now we know. I'm sorry. This is so easy. I spent a lot of time. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah. k get cm, just copy this, k get edit deployment, this one. We've reached volumes, name, insert, just paste it, and wq k get pods watch run container error. Okay, k describe pod nginx deployment with c. Successfully pulled image, back off, restarting fail, and why? Executable file not found in path. Container warning, failed to create a container ID task. Exec shell executable file. Containers. Shell command. Why is there a shell command for the init? It should be sh. I will delete. Show me the pods. Another error. What is the issue this time? I don't know which one. It's not the C one, so it has to be the R one. Right? Oh, this is the new one. Okay, started container, back off, restarting, image size. What is the reason? Pod initializing ready failed. We need the init container. I think we have to do sh minus c. Mm, 23 seconds ago. Yeah. Let's just edit it with the minus c. Yeah. So. Oh. No. I want to go in insert mode. C. And hit Control S again. Sorry. I'll just change this. I'll have it saved here. Export cube editor equals nano. Just do a Google search. That's fine. And we paste it here. This big. Paste it again. Set our environment. Okay, edit deployments. But before that, k get cm. Yeah. Now deployments. There's one deployment. In the volumes. No. Yes. In the volumes, you do this, and in the command you do this and get pods. Container error. Okay, now k get pods, k describe pods, nginx f4. What happened? Back off, failed container init default. Why? Executable file not found in path. Okay, describe, deploy, pod, Nginx, latest one. Which one's the latest one? Let's see, 7. What was the error? Command. Okay, this one finished. Pod initializing. Hash loop backed off. Yeah. Container started. Successfully pulled image basic box. Warning back off. Kubelet back off. Which one? Containers host port 0. How do you have a host port of 0? Containers. Container port. Image always. Combination mess. Let's just save it to a file. Delete this deployment because I'm not able to find out which pod is which. Okay, get pods. Good. Okay, apply -f dp.yaml. Okay, get pods. Init error. Did the init cause error? Okay, describe nginx. Wait, let me check logs. Do we have logs? Yes. Init container. Such can't open hello, no such file or directory. What do you mean? Really? Wait. Should this whole thing be in double quotes? I'm assuming that's the case. Okay. Delete deployment, whatever, and then apply. No need to force it. Okay. Describe. Pod. Init container. terminated. What is the reason for termination? Okay, terminated. But why? Okay, logs. This is waiting to start. One init container. Such can't open no such file or directory. That's not how it works, man. I'll just change it as they've given. Once, let me just try this. I hope this works. Error. A log init container. No such file or directory. Really? I'm also not very smart. Sometimes. Okay, delete deployments. Okay, apply -f dp.yaml. Okay, get pods, pod initializing, pod running. Yay! So that's how you give it the first command. The rest is all in double quotes. Remember that. Oh, troubleshooting is going to be time consuming and fun. Every details that we missed are going to come back. Setting the context. Pods are not running. Okay, get all -a. Not like that. Okay, get all. We just have a pod and a service. Okay. Okay, get describe pod hello Kubernetes. Successfully pulled image, back off, restarting. Okay, let's see, do we have anything? Fail to create container ID task. Command echo container. Okay, do echo hello Kubernetes. Libfile done. Shell is wrong. Okay. Let's get that. I'm sorry, what was that? Yeah. Oh, that's a command in there. I didn't know that. Let's just copy this. Yeah, I guess troubleshooting we want. Anyway, yeah. A get pod hello Kubernetes -o YAML pod.yaml. This nano. Okay, delete pod nano. Which one? We saved it. Pod.yaml. Just make this sh. Let's see. Okay, apply -f pod.yaml. Okay, get pods, container creating, running. You can give it, you don't need double quotes and stuff. It just has to be in different lines with the -c also present. This was the easy one. I think the difficulty is going to increase Let's set the context. Nginx pod not running. Okay, get pod error image pull. Okay. Okay, get all. Actually, is it a deployment or something? No. Okay. Okay, get pod minus o yaml pod dot yaml nano pod image nginx latest. Okay, delete pod. Okay, apply minus f pod dot yaml. Okay, get pods. Creating, running. Scenarios. Pod issue 2. Start. This pod is not running. Okay, get pods. Pending. Okay, describe pod. Redis pod. Nodes are available. Persistent volume claim not found. Okay, get PVC. Redis PVC, and you are looking for PVC Redis. That is your issue. Okay, edit PVC, Redis PVC, and let's change its name as they want to PVC, Redis PVC. Wasn't that one? Okay. Redis PVC, but it is looking for PVC Redis. And copy it. Yep. Paste. Okay, get PVC. Redis PVC. That found? It wasn't right. Okay, get pods. Pending. Okay, get pods. Pending. Describe pod. Okay, get pods minus o yaml pod dot yaml. Okay, delete. I was trying to not having to delete the pod and restart it, but apparently I have to. Okay, apply minus f pod dot yaml. Okay, get pods. Pending. Okay, describe pods. That is pod. 0 out of 2 nodes are available. Scheduler has a problem with that also. First, let's solve that actually. Both are ready, but I'm pretty sure describe node 0 1. There are some hints. No, it's not even unschedulable. Nanopod.yaml. Do we have any? Why? For persistent random claim. It is not bound, right? Let's do this. Okay, edit PVC. Status pending volume mode. Storage class name is manually rewrite once 80. Okay, edit PV 100 rewrite once manual. Okay, let's just copy the name then. That is PV. Yeah, we can exit. Just give it a volume name and get PVC. It's still not bound. Persistent volume claim PVC red is not found. Preemption 0 or 2 preemption is not helpful for scheduling. Wait, is it a pod thing or containers? Termination pod like DNS preemption policy. Preempt lower priority. What if I remove that preemption policy? Like there is something that is two preemption is not helpful for scheduling. Nodes are not available. Let's check that. They're ready. They run nginx fast image nginx. They get pods. Container creating. Container running. KRM delete pod nginx. Nano pod. Let's see. Annotations. I don't care about this. Don't care about creation time. Resource validation. UID. Don't care. Containers. Port. Okay. Redis. Termination path. Don't care. Volumes. DNS. Enable. Priority. Restart always. Scheduler name. Service account. Termination. Grace period. Tolerations. They don't have a taint. Can I remove this? There should be volumes. I don't care about these. Persistent volume claim. Is that how you do volumes? PVC. Create a pod. Persistent volume claim name. Persistent volume claim name. PVC. Get PVC. Redis PVC. Nano pod. What is the name? PVC. Okay, delete pod. k apply minus f pod.yaml k get pods k describe pod redis.pod has unbound k get pvc k get pv minus o yaml pv.yaml k get pvc that is pvc pvc.yaml pv with the name that is pv. pv. Don't care about these finalizers. Resource access mode read write once 100 mi type. What is the type? Retain storage class volume mode. Okay, don't need this. You get nano pvc.yaml. Don't care about these or this 80 manually volume mode name delete pvc that is pvc k delete pod that is pod k delete pv that is pv k apply minus f pv.yaml k get pv k apply minus f pvc.yaml k get pvc, but it's not binding. Why is it not binding? K describe pvc that is pvc storage class name does not match. Nano pv.yaml manual nano pvc.yaml manually. Damn. K delete pvc k apply minus f pvc.yaml k get pvc pending k describe pvc that is pvc isn't pending bound. Perfect. K apply minus f pod.yaml k get pods error image pull nano pod. We don't need latested. K replace minus f pod.yaml minus force get pods container create ma container creating running finally. That was pod issue 2. We have pod issue 3 now. Ooh mama. Set the context. We're done with that. Front-end pod is in pending state, not running. Fix that issue. Do not remove any specification in front-end pod. Okay. First, let's set our editor. Okay, k get pods, k describe. Let's check the logs. Front end, my container, no logs. K describe pod front end. Yeah, fine. Nodes are, one node didn't match pod's affinity, one has untolerated taint. Don't remove any specs. Okay. K get nodes. K get describe nodes. Don't want this stuff. Taints none. Okay. Don't remove any specification is what they said. You can change them. What are the taints for control plane? What are the taints? Yep, just this. Okay. K get pod this minus o YAML and pod dot YAML, and let's edit this. Don't care about this stuff. About this affinity container. Okay, let's not remove. Node affinity, node name in front, match expression key. How does affinity work? Node affinity. Assigning pods to nodes. Yes, this and this both. Using node affinity. Add a label to the node. Okay, yeah, we didn't check that. We get nodes minus one show labels. A lot of labels, but yeah. Match expression, disk type, and SSD. And what issue are we having? Node name in front end. So we need to set that. Tolerations, we can't change that. Okay. K get pods. K label node. Which one? Node 1, where node name equals front end. Front end nodes. Okay. Let's just do the override thing. This one had node name equals front end nodes. So let's do the K get pods running. Amazing scenarios. Pod issue 4. I'm having a lot of fun. Like, this is where you really get to learn. Actually, really get to see whether you've learned or not, because docs aren't really that helpful here. So the question is, there's a YAML file currently not able to deploy pod. Check and fix that issue. Don't remove any specifications from the pod. Nano Postgres dot YAML. There's some things. Okay. Control X. A get pods. A apply minus F. Okay, error. Pod cannot be handled as a pod. Pod in version 1 cannod be handled. Unknown spec liveness probe socket. Unknown field readiness probe exec command. Okay. What the hell? No. Yeah, I just need this to be selected, and here we go. Pods. Pods, yes. Thank you. Container probes, yes, exactly. TCP socket action. And read more about probes here. Let's do that. In the meanwhile, yeah. Okay. Nano, Postgres. Liveness probe. Let's search for that. Configure liveness. Yes. Exec command. What is the TCP socket thing? Nothing, right? TCP socket. There is a TCP socket. Sorry. What the fuck? Are we exposing any ports? 5432. Okay. I think that's what we want to do. TCP socket and port is 5432. Strange. What did it say? Because container name. Okay. 5432. Let's set this as 5432. And what else? Okay, let's just see if this works. Readiness probe has an issue too. You have to give exec command, not cmd. Command. Let's see if this works. Yes. Okay, get pods, container creating, container creating, container creating. Okay, get pods minus watch. And just wait till it's running. Amazing. I'm loving it. So many. We have to complete as many as we can today. It has been a 2.5 hour stream already. I don't care if it goes for 8 hours. We'll finish what we started. Something wrong in the pod template. Fix that. Do not remove any specifications. Requests memory limits. You can't do that. Must be there. Okay, I didn't see that also. Okay, request 15. Let's make this also a 20. Created. Okay, get pods. Get a bunch of boyfriend and meet me at the hotel room. You can. Perfect. It's running. Check. Runs. Scenarios. Pod issue 6. Meet me at the hotel. Your girlfriend and me at the you at the hotel motel. My pod CKA is stuck in pending state. Fix this issue. Okay, get pods. Okay, logs. My CKA Nginx container. No logs. Okay, describe my. I'm sorry. Pod. My pod CKA. 0 out of 2 nodes available. As unbound immediate persistent claim. Failed scheduling. Okay, let's just solve the persistent volume claim first. K get PVC. Pending K get PV. There is a PV. Okay. K describe PVC. Cannot bind to requested volume in compatible access mode. Let's just apply this. K get PV. What is the access mode? Rewrite once. And this one is K edit PVC. I'm assuming it's rewrite many. Once saved. What is the problem? Ooh. No error changes were saved. Okay. K edit PV then. Okay. K get PVC. Pending. Minus watch. Bound. K get pods. Container creating. Minus watch. Oh, running. Oh, perfect. Pod issue 7. Context. Just tainted node 1. Update tolerations in this application pod template and create pod object. Okay. Nano application. We need tolerations. Tolerations. Yeah, I don't understand. And in the meanwhile, we describe node 1. You know what I mean. Taints node name equals worker. This. Grep taints. Node name equals worker node 1. Okay. No application. Yep. 1 2 tolerations are for the pod, yes, and the key would be node name An operator would be in, and the values equal. Okay, do equal. We can do equal, and the value should be broken out 1. Double quotes. Double quotes. No schedule is correct. We can just comment this out. And k apply minus f application deployment. K get pods. Container creating. Let's watch it. And it was running already. Woohoo! They, yeah, they gave a lot of hints though. I don't know if that'll be the case in the exam. They just like find out why it's not. We do all the prerequisites. Some issue on the control plane, unable to run kubectl commands. Oh, a get no server get address invalid port. Okay. Kubernetes configuration. Nano dot cube config. What is usually the port number? 6433. Access coupling 6443. Service restart. Kubelet sudo systemctl restart kubelet. No, I don't. Is it nano etc kubernetes manifest kube api server.yaml? Oh, actually, k get pods. Yeah, it's working. Kubectl. API was running perfectly. It was just, it wasn't up to communicate from here properly on the PC or the machine. Template is there now. We can't create object due to some issue. Check and fix. Nah, no. Press. Okay. Container port app label. Okay. K apply minus F. Postgres. K get pods. Minus watch. It won't, right? K Postgres container and pod port is waiting to start. Create container config error. Okay, describe pod. Yes, please. Secret Postgres secret A not found. Okay, get secret. Whoa. There's a typo. K apply minus F Postgres deployment. K get pods minus watch. Container config error again. K describe pod Postgres by F. Couldn't find key DB user and secrets. Username. Password is how it is set. Username and password. Yep. Let's watch. Running and terminating. What issue 8 is something we didn't do? Of course we didn't do it. Because there was a cap. Oof. Nginx pod exposed to service Nginx service when port forwarded. It is stuck, so unable to access application on localhost. Fix this issue. Okay. Okay. Let me just set this first. Copy. Paste. Okay. Edit. Pod. This. Container port 80. Nothing else. Okay. Edit. SVC. Nginx. Oh wait, what? Why is it stuck? SS Dublin. Are we using 8080 or something? Is the command wrong? Control F port forward local port remote port. Local port remote port. It is the cluster IP. Why can't I hit it? The hell? What the hell? container port 80 is here exposed. Can I do this? Able to access the pod. Is this attached to the pod? Selector and app engine export. Okay, edit pod. There ain't no labels, man. Is it label or labels? Service. Labels. Engine export. App equals engine export. When you do this, it don't get stuck. Now when you do this and tap it doesn't get stuck. Yeah. Perfecto. Check. You have to give labels. Kubelet issue. In the control plane node, some problem with kubelet configuration files. Fix that issue. Switch into control plane. Okay. It's giving us some problem with the kubelet. Kubelet service, right? System CTL status kubelet service. Activator. Which drop in loaded. This is what we want. The service. Sudo. Start. Start. Fail with result exit. Code. Okay. Let's just quit out of this. So it's not starting, right? Where can I get the logs? cat var log slash. Do we have any Kubernetes? No kubelet. What is killer code? Anyway, let's just check this one out first. Parlib kubelet PKI. Do we have anything called var lib kubelet PKI? Yeah. No config etc kubernetes PKI. Okay. I don't know what to check for. How do I? Where can I check for logs? I don't know. Find slash minus m star kubelet star. Grep log. Nope. This is an issue. When you clear it, you can't scroll up. Ah. PS AUX grep kubelet. Can PS AUX be prettier? I don't know. I seriously don't know what to check for. I'm kind of sleepy, but I want to solve this. Is there a thing? No such file or directory. I thought so. Like that was the one that was standing out. ls ca.cert. Thanks to the person who created this. Probably there's something over here also. That's in caps. Oh. Sorry. That exists. I'm pretty sure that exists too. Ugh. System CTL status. I mean the status running. Yay. How many are we left with? A lot. Oh wow. Hey, not that many. Deployment not up to date. I don't like these config troubleshooting ones. But thank God they gave us the big thank button actually. He capitalized the error. Observe 0 under the up to date. It should be 1 troubleshoot fix. 0 out of 0 ready? Nothing here. Okay. Let's just do this. And okay, edit deployment. Yes. Replicas 0. We want it to be 1. And just up to date. Running. We are up to date. Okay, let's just finish this line. These two. And then we'll stop for today. This has been today is Tuesday. I have Wednesday and I'll schedule my exam for Thursday. So yeah, no worries. We'll complete these. Database deployment pods are not running. Fix that. Okay, get pods. Okay, describe pods. Database nodes. Copy, paste. Okay, get PVC. The name is Postgres PVC, not Postgres DB PVC. Okay, edit deployment. Yes, thank you. Spec. I'm pretty sure that was problem. This would solve one problem. Okay, get pods pending. Okay, describe pod database deployment 591 pod as unbound immediate. Okay, get PVC pending. Okay, get PV. Let's check this. Sorry. Okay, describe PVC Postgres cannot bind to requested PV is too small. Okay, edit PV Postgres. $500. Okay, edit PVC Postgres. How much? 150. Wait, what? Cannot bind to requested volume. Requested PV is too small. Access mode differences. Read write many. It's asking for 150. Incompatible access mode. It's the same thing, right? What access mode? Read write many. Okay, edit PV. Access mode is read write many now. Found. Those are previous errors. Seriously. It shouldn't have shown previous errors. I don't know why it was doing that. Controller manager issue. Video app deployment replicas 0. Fix the issue. Expected 2 replicas. Okay. Okay. Get deployment. Okay. Okay. Get pods. Of course, there are no pods. Shit. Okay. Get nodes. Okay. Describe. Actually, edit is better than this. Deployment video app replicas 2. Okay, describe deployment. The error. Controller manager issue, right? How do we find manager issue? Okay, get odds minus n cube system. There is this that's not working. So k describe pod minus n cube system. Failed executable file not found in path. What is it trying to execute? Manager. Okay, edit minus n cube system pod cube controller manager control plane. Why is it saying the whole thing? Here. X. Okay, apply minus F minus force is replace. And minus n cube system. Will I get a cube ADM setup in the exam? CKA cube ADM cluster. Yeah, just zoom in. But and I'm in the section where he's showing how to install KubeADM. Is that something I have to do? Alright. Knowing how to use KubeADM I have to build is important. Definitely play it. Yeah, definitely need to know how KubeADM works, but you can be smart about it. For all questions, you will be working. Kubernetes, find one that is configured in terms of control plane plus worker with that is similar to one you have in the kube system namespace. There is a config map with the options to provide. Copy this, paste the IPs, and deploy your new cluster. Okay, there'll be KubeADM, it seems. Man, this is taking a lot of time. I am stupid, right? This is the one where you need to change, man. A get pause minus A. Manager. I name the reason why we lose. Yay! Keep checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. I'm kidding. Get pods, get deployments, describe deployments, video app, scale up replica, yay! Money and the reason why we lose. Okay, yeah. How much did you complete today? 5. That's 6. Those are 24, 25, 26. Hey, that's good. The amount that we completed in 4 days. 5. We completed it in 1 day. And now we just have that many more to go. We'll be done with this tomorrow. 3, 4, 5. Actually less. Just 22. Yay. This was a good session. Thank you for joining me in the future, because I can see that I only have 1 viewer. So that's me. Anyway, let's close this all and see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy. Bye bye. Honey,